Welcome back to Easy English Friends channel. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
I'm good, Emma. I had a slow morning. I woke up at 8:10.
Nice. 8:10. Not too early, not too late.
Yeah, I stretched, made tea, and checked the time again. I worry about time.
Me too sometimes. And today is perfect for that. We'll master numbers and time in English. Clear listening, clear saying.
Oh, great. My ears are ready. My tongue is ready.
Love it. First, why does this matter? Time is everywhere. At the bus stop, at the doctor, at work, in class, on your phone. If you can say times clearly, life is easier.
And you sound calm and confident.
Exactly. Let's warm up with numbers quickly. 0 to 12. Say them with me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Nice. Now the tens. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Notice the rhythm. The tens are smooth. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Smooth tens. Okay.
And the teens, 13, 14, 15, 16. The teen has a stronger second part. It pops at the end. Say 13, 14.
13, 14. I feel the push at the end.
Yes, a lot of learners mix 30 and 13. Listen, 30 is smooth in the start, and 13 jumps at the end. Hear it?
30, 13. Oh, I hear it.
Great. Now, minutes. We often need numbers from 0 to 59. We'll drill a few. I'll say the minute, you echo.
I am ready.
15,
15,
30,
30,
45,
45.
0. We often say O, like 505 for 505.
Oh, 505. Got it.
Perfect. Now, the basic time frame. AM is morning, PM is afternoon and evening. So 7 a.m. is morning, 7 p.m. is evening.
Easy, but sometimes I hear half past, quarter to. That makes me sweat.
No sweat today. Quarter past means 15 minutes after the hour. Quarter to means 15 minutes before the next hour. Half past means 30 minutes.
So 3:15 is quarter past 3.
Exactly. And 3:30 is half past 3.
And 3:45 is quarter to 4, because it's almost 4.
Aha! You got it. Now let's make it real with a mini story. You have a bus to work. The bus leaves at 7:15 a.m. You wake up late at 6:50. Go.
Oh no, I wake up and look at the clock. It's 6:50. The bus is at 7:15. That's quarter past 7.
Yes.
I wash my face, grab my bag, and run. I reach the stop at 7:12 a.m.
Wow, nice sprint.
I check my phone. It says 7:12. The bus comes at 7:15. 3 minutes more.
Then you hear the engine at 7:14, 1 minute.
The bus arrives at 7:15. I say, "Good morning," and I'm safe.
Great scene. Time words helped. 6:50, quarter past 7, 7:12, 7:15.
It felt clear and fast.
Okay, now let's practice a gentle pattern. What time is and it's at. I ask, you answer.
Okay.
What time is your class?
It's at 9:30 a.m.
Nice. Try a half-past version.
It's at 9:30.
Good. What time is lunch?
It's at 12 noon.
Perfect. What time is your movie?
It's at 6:50 p.m.
You can also say 10 to 7 because it's 10 minutes before 7.
10 to 7. I like that. It feels short.
Great. Now, pronunciation for clarity. When you say 3, put the tongue between your teeth a little soft air, 3. And 30 starts the same way, but keep it smooth, 30. Don't make dirty.
Not dirty. 30.
Exactly. And 40 drops the U sound. It's not 4T with a big ooh. Keep it short, 40.
40. Okay.
Let's do echo lines. I say it, you copy with the same music and the voice. It's 3:13.
It's 3:13.
It's 3:30.
It's 3:30.
It's 3:40.
It's 3:40.
Hear the teen versus tie difference?
Yes, 13 is a kick at the end. 30 is smooth in the middle.
Perfect. Now, a tiny listening tip. In fast speech, we often join words. 7:05 can sound like 7:05. If you hear a small N touch, don't worry. The key is the numbers.
So I should listen for the main numbers and the pattern.
Exactly. Another tip. If you miss the time, ask again with a helper line. Sorry, at what time? Or, sorry, did you say 6:15 or 6:50? That last one saves lives.
Yes, saves dinner plans.
Now a mini scene at the doctor. I'm the receptionist.
Okay.
Good morning. What's your name?
Ben Kim.
Hi, Ben. Your appointment is at 3:45 p.m., 3:45. Can you come 10 minutes early?
Sure, I'll come at 3:35.
Great. Please bring your ID. See you then.
Thank you.
After the call, you tell your friend. How do you say it?
My appointment is at 3:45, 3:45. I'll go 10 minutes early.
Clear. Now a small correction moment. Many learners say 3:45 p.m. in the afternoon. That repeats the idea. Just say 3:45 p.m. or 3:45 in the afternoon. Choose one.
Right, choose one. I'll say 3:45 p.m.
Good fix. Next, let's compare digital style and natural style. Digital, 18:20. In everyday speech, we say 6:20 p.m. or 20 past 6. Practice both.
6:20 p.m., 20 past 6.
Nice. And 18:45?
6:45 p.m. or 6:45.
Exactly. Now, let's work on O. For times like 9:05, we say 9:05. Say these, 4:02.
4:02.
10:08.
10:08.
12:09.
12:09.
Beautiful. Now, rhythm. English time likes a small stress on the hour and a light one on the minute. 6:20. 9:05. Try to bounce the hour a bit.
6:20. 9:05. I feel the bounce.
Great. Another mini story. You're meeting your cousin at the station. The train arrives at 10:30 a.m. You're late. Go.
I wake up and it's 9:50. Oh no, I need to leave now. I grab my keys. I leave at 9:55. The ride takes 25 minutes. I arrive at 10:20. I text I'm here at 10:20. The train is at 10:30, 10:30. I buy coffee. At 10:28, I stand by the gate. At 10:30, my cousin arrives. We smile.
Perfect timing. You used exact times. 9:50, 9:55, 10:20, 10:28, 10:30. That's how we paint a picture.
Time is a paintbrush. Wow.
Poetic then? Now, some common errors and quick repairs. Error 1, mixing 13 and 30. Say, I start at 30. Try.
I start at 30.
Now, with the music, 30.
I start at 30.
Nice. Error 2, saying 6:30 for 6:30. In English, say 6:30 or 6:30. Try both.
6:30, 6:30.
Good. Error 3, saying 2:15 together. Choose one, 6:15 or 6:15. Try one.
6:15.
Great. Let's do a micro practice moment. I'll give a plan. You choose a natural time phrase.
Okay.
Your gym class is at 5:15 p.m.
It's at 5:15.
Your bus leaves at 8:45 a.m.
It leaves at 8:45.
Your dinner starts 7:30 p.m.
It starts at 7:30.
Smooth. Now, let's add reasons with because. What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 11 because I wake up at 6.
Nice cause and effect. What time do you eat lunch?
I eat at 12:30 because my break starts at 12:30.
Good. Now, some quick personalization. Think about your real day. What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6:40 a.m.
What time do you start work or study?
I start at 9 on most days.
What time do you finish?
I finish at 5:30, sometimes 5:45.
And dinner?
Around 7, sometimes 7:10 if I cook pasta.
Sounds like a tasty reason. Now let's practice friendly questions with time. What time do you plus a verb? Ready?
Ready.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8:20.
What time do you get back?
I get back around 6:15.
What time do you call your parents?
I call them at 8 p.m. after dinner.
Lovely! If you don't know the exact time, you can use around, about, or just after. For example, about 7, around 6:30, just after 8. Give me 3.
I wake up around 6. I eat lunch about 1. I sleep just after 11.
Nice and natural. Now, quick pronunciation on 12 and 20. 12 ends with a soft V sound. Don't make it 12. Say 12. And 20 can sound like 20 in fast speech. That's okay. Keep it light.
12, 20, 20.
Perfect. Let's do a role play at a cafe. I'm the barista.
Okay,
Hi, your drink will be ready at 9:05.
great. 9:05.
Your friend Tom will arrive at 9:15.
9:15. Perfect. I'll wait.
If you need to delay, say, can we make it 10 to 10? That's 9:50.
Can we make it 10 to 10? Nice.
Now, a small tech moment. On phones, you might see 14:20. In speech, say 2:20 p.m. If it's 00:05, say 12:05 a.m. or 5 past midnight.
5 past midnight sounds cool.
Late night movie vibe. One more mini story. You have a flight at 11:40 a.m. Boarding is at 11 a.m. Security takes 20 minutes. When should you arrive?
Let me plan. Boarding at 11. I want to be calm. Security is 20 minutes. I want extra time. I'll arrive at 10:20 a.m.
Smart. Then you can say, I'll be there at 20 past 10. That sounds calm and in control.
I like feeling in control of time.
Same. Now, a fast drill. I say the digital time, you say a natural phrase. 4:15,
4:15.
7:30,
7:30.
5:50,
10 to 6.
9:05,
9:05.
12:45,
1:45.
2:20.
2:20 or 20 past 2.
Excellent. Another fast drill. I say the phrase, you give digital. 3:30,
3:30.
10 past 9,
9:10.
4:45,
4:45.
25 to 8,
7:35.
Nice! 25 to 8 is a bit tricky, but you did it.
Thanks. I pictured the clock.
Good strategy. If minutes are more than 30, many people use to. If minutes are less than 30, they often use past. But 7:35 is also fine. Choose what feels good and clear.
I like both. I'll switch based on the situation.
Perfect. Now, quick polite lines to confirm time. Repeat after me. Could you repeat the time, please?
Could you repeat the time, please?
Did you say 6:15 or 6:50?
Did you say 6:15 or 6:50?
What time should I arrive?
What time should I arrive?
Golden lines. Use them anytime. By the way, we're keeping the same friendly energy you hear on other simple English shows we love, where they use clear times like 6 a.m., 12 p.m., and talk about routines.
That helps me a lot. Clear times, simple words.
Now let's add small talk plus time. I'll mix feelings and reasons. Listen, I wake up at 7 because I need quiet time. Your turn.
I start work at 9 because the office opens at 9.
I eat dinner at 7:30 because my kids are hungry then.
I go for a walk at 6 because the air is cool.
Love it. Last big role play. You and I plan a day trip. I'll lead.
Okay.
Let's meet at the station at 8:20 a.m.
Can we make it 8:30, 10 minutes later?
Sure, 8:30 is fine. The train leaves at 8:45, 8:45.
Then we arrive at 9:30, 9:30.
We'll get coffee at 9:35, 5 minutes.
And start the museum at 10.
Lunch at 12:15, 12:15.
Perfect. We head back at 3:50, 10 to 4.
And we get home around 5:10.
That sounds like a perfect day. Simple plan, clear times.
Exactly the goal. Now, quick recap. Say 3 takeaways.
1. Use past, 2, half past, and quarter for natural times. 2. Stress the end for teens, 13, and the middle for tens, 30. 3. Confirm times politely if I'm not sure.
Boom. And 9-3, 1, use O for 0 in minutes, like 9:05. 2, choose either AM, PM, or in the morning, afternoon, not both. 3, give reasons with because to sound natural.
I feel ready to talk about time today.
Awesome. Friends, practice now. Say the time where you are. What's the time right now? Then say one plan for later. For example, it's 2:20. I'll cook at 6.
I'll try. It's 9:40. I'll study at 10:30.
Perfect. Keep going today. Ask a friend, what time do you finish? Tell someone, let's meet at 7:15. Use time in real life.
And if you make a mistake, no problem. Smile, repeat, repair. People will understand.
Exactly. You're doing great. Thank you for learning with us on the Easy English Friends channel.
Thank you, Emma. This was fun and super clear.
See you next time, everyone. Until then, keep your hours happy and your minutes calm.
Bye for now.